Good morning. Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today is Wednesday, February 7th, 2018. Today is inventory day, and it's coming out in about 5 minutes or so, it looks like. So we're waiting for the inventories. The high today is at 64.19. This is the last swing high of 63.94. That's on the charts right now. I've set up for a 9p target today, which is 196 ticks. Obviously, I'll take a lot less. And 2/3 R is 12. So that's what will be 11.9. So I'm going 3 losses in a row is minus 36. So we are awaiting the inventory release. As a reminder again, I cannot trade the crude oil market at the release of the report. You need to be flat 1 minute prior and 1 minute after. So what I've put on the charts is if I would have been short, where would I have found value? Right now the 75 mark was where some value was underneath pivot. And the swing up to that was 86. So that would have been 89 to stop. No, 87 to stop, excuse me. So you would have stayed in as of right now. So we're awaiting the report and the release. So I'm going to, looking at the 15-minute chart, see that we've, up here is where we posted the high of the session as of last night. Traded down, we saw some high volume bars coming in at 4 and at 6. And then we saw some high volume bars, not as high as the reds, come in here to stop this movement here. But where we go from here is anyone's guess. I mean, it retraced, it can go up, it can go down. Wait for the inventory to come out, and then we'll make a decision at that point, or at least try to get in. 5-minute chart, it went to, obviously both lines showed pivot, and both lines are showing that we went to the 200 bar on both the 5-minute chart and the 15-minute chart. We went to the 200 bar, so we have already been there. Now we're trading at it, so what does it want to do at this point? Does it want to pull away? Does it want to go up and through? I'm getting ready to find out. Release is coming in a minute, less than a minute now. Looking at the lows down here, currently that's 55 on that swing. And then you see that I put the last swing high up there, 63.94. I've also put in the high of 64.18 as well if it wants to jump up through both of those. As far as GAN numbers today, we have 65.15 on the up, 62.70 on the down. And you'll know when the like I said, you know when the release comes out, because there you go. So what do we have? We have 22.25, which isn't the highest volume bar. The highest volume bar is actually still red, and it was at 4:46 this morning. Down to S1 all in one fell swoop there. Looks like I'm going to wait for a GAN signal to come in on the upside and then try to catch fourth time through. Let's mark that low right there though. '21 would be first short signal. First target on the down is 62.99. We'll go ahead and protect break even here. Down to 1p right there, protecting break even. See how far we can fall today. Next down target is 77. Went to 81. $62.70 is GAN number. We'll protect breakpoint plus 5. Three P down is 62.56. As we get down here, we'll be protecting. $62.82's low of session. $62.77 has been hit, 2p. And through. Locking in 10 ticks for now. Go ahead and lock in 89, 91. Looking at that 77 and 70. What's scaring me right now is the 62.70. 88 is 3. I don't want to be at 88. I don't mind getting out at 91 and taking my gains. Call it 93. Go 5 ticks over that 88 right there, 1.5p. Looking for 56 and lower. Trying to catch this up here too. The 200 bar coming across prices. S2 is at 61, which we're pretty close to it. If we plug in the high, which might not make any difference. That last swing went to 91. We'll hold 93. Go 1 tick higher to 94. So anyway, 64.18 makes 61.56 bottom target today. So that's what we'll be looking for if we can get to it. If we can stay in this. Looking at the 15-minute chart, you can see that we've pushed down through the lows and now the market's trying to recover. Hopefully we can push down here now. A little Gann signal here on the charts. Hopefully have enough power to at least reach a 3p target or the S2 line. Let's see where my target is because we want to move to 61.58. I'm going to come off of that 61.58 to 61.78. Call it 61.77. 9. 61.79 is bottom target for now. 93 is blue line, so let's see if we can trail that blue line here in a little bit. All kinds of capitulation coming on here. Pricing not showing any sign of slowing down. We will see though. This is the 3P line. This is part of the inventory trade. It's what I want to see. If I was trading two contracts, there's my first exit right here, no matter what, 3P. If it goes through it, then I'd be out at least one. Or I'd be taking it. Right now I'd lock in 10 ticks either side of this. Alright, so we're going to lock in some more profit here. To it, not through it. Through it. There's a 3P target. There's a 3P win today. 3P win. Unlock the charts. Where can we go? We're going to go ahead and lock in. We're going to lock in the S2 line plus 2 ticks now. $4P is 53. We've been through there. $53. Well, that's not right. That was what we had before. Let me put my entry point in. 63.21. Where did I get in? 21, 63.21. That's not right. 63.21, right? 62.77, 62.34 is next target. 62.34. That's 4P. We'll lock in. We're going to locking in the S2 line. That's our 11. Let's see here. 60 from 64.18. This is 61. That's the target. 62.70 was the GAN signal. The next one down here is 62.33, 61.94. We'll go ahead and lock in 2 ticks up above. Force this market to come up to the S2 line to take us out. Two ticks below the S2 line, excuse me. Target is 61.94 now. 61.94. We're going to use 97 as exit. That began 225 angle today. Looking for one more push down. 61.56 is the bottom of the range based upon 64.18 as a high. Basically looking for another 50 tick drop from here. Got one eye on this over here, wondering how far can this market continue to move down before recovery. Trying to maximize profit, but try to give it enough space as well. It's an art more than it's a science sometimes. But the S2 line is what I'm protecting. We'll go to 63. We'll give 40 ticks here, or 4 ticks. We'll go 2 over, just in case it goes to S2 and comes off of it. Going to 61 now. All right, going to 59 officially now at 59. Don't want to see 59 now. Really, I don't want to see 61. Another GAN signal coming through prices. Fourth time down and through. All right, we're officially now, we're going to protect that 59 line, get that extra couple of ticks. Geez, I don't know what to do here. Let's hold 61. 61.59. What's the difference of $20 at this point to get our big target? Looking for one more push down here. I believe one more push could get us down to our target area. $62.34 is 4P. To it and through it. 4P hit. We're going to officially hold use this right here, 47. I'm going to use the yellow line. Okay, we're going to trail on the yellow line now. Yellow plus 3. Yellow plus 5. Fun's got to end sometime. Up to 39 there is protecting 2 ticks higher. See if we can hold the lower high pattern. So far, so good. $5P down is 62.12, then 61.90. Based upon the high of the market, though, we have been down 62.22, almost. Would have been 9P down based upon try to get 62.01. and out. Plus 80. Not a bad trade there. It puts my account balance up over 1,000 there too, by the way, on 2 trading days. I don't know if I caught the low or anywhere near it, but that looked like a good exit point for me. Bottom target I was hunting for at the point in time was 62.01. We got knocked out at 62.41. Missed profit opportunity, 40 ticks, 400 bucks from here. So I could have been sitting at what, 1,400 roughly, if it would hit 62.01. So it goes to 41 and takes me out and then trades off of it. All right, so hey, I like it. It's a good trade. Perhaps could have got a little bit more there. Only trading one, just got knocked out. Maybe if I stayed on that right there, I would have stayed in it. It's hard to second guess yourself, but you know, any day you take 80 ticks out of the market on one contract, I don't know about you, but that's a good day. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Can you, oh man, well, let's hang out and see if it moves down to 62.01 for a little bit. We'll hang out and see which hits first here. We're going to use this plus 5 ticks, the blue line plus 5 ticks, 41. Right now, be 46. or trade exit. If I was trailing with 2 or 1, excuse me, if 1 was out at 3p, the second would be out off of that blue line up there, +5. We'll use that today. We'll have an exit at some point. So I'm going to pause here. We'll see what gets hit first, which blue line are the target point. Let's keep it running. It's only been 37 minutes today. Gosh, if I just would have held at 43 right now. There's 01, 6201 and through, hit target. Damn it. Officially, I'd be out right now. Extra $400 on the table that I didn't get, I guess. Market hasn't shown any sign of slowing down, going down. Alright, 12p range today. 61.56 is 12p down. Went through 94. There's 225 angle. The last angle that I have on my charts today is 61.54 today. $270 angle. This doesn't happen very often. Damn it. I mean, honestly, I did the best I could. I feel like I could do better. The only way I would have been sitting in it, is if I would have had the tortoise side of the trade. My rabbit would have been out and the tortoise side of the trade. Maybe I hold 62.03 off this 01 move off down here. This doesn't happen very often. You have these kind of days, so it's just kind of, this is kind of new territory, virgin territory for me, really. I caught it all the way down to there, though. I feel pretty confident that I did pretty dang good. Could I have done better? Perhaps. You always second guess yourself, even when you're winning. At least I do. Could I do better? Where could I have exited better with the volatility that we saw today? It's actually starting to show a pattern now of higher lows now, finally. This is probably a good exit point right there at that 62.01 mark. So I'm going to call it right there no matter what. We're out right there. So even if I would have been in it, that would have been out. This would have been my last exit no matter how I look at it. But hey, I got 80 ticks. I'm happy. That's going to do it for me today. So I guess that's about the best case scenario. Would have been able to catch that up move right through here and getting out on the short trade right there at that point. That'll do it. I'm out. Plus 80 today on one contract. Went up over 1,000, so I'm pretty happy with what I did today. Up over 1,000, 2 trading days. So I left about 1,200 on the table. It looks like overall. So excuse me, 400 on the table. So another $400 short is probably max profit today that I could have had. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. WSC, excuse me. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. So about 40 ticks of woulda, shoulda, coulda action today. It's about maximum profit. So I feel pretty good that I did. It's about, I give myself a B plus today. Could have done a little bit better to get that A if I would have been able to hold at 43 instead of 41. So I'll give myself, I should have held 39 plus 3 ticks to 5 ticks up to 44. What am I talking about? I should have, on this movement through here where it hit 39, I should have held 4 or 5 ticks above that at 44, 45. Forced the market to come up 4 to 5 ticks higher than this 39 mark. That's what I should have done. That's my woulda, shoulda, coulda mistake. That's where I'm going to give myself the B plus to get the 41 when I could have held here and got the A plus and got out at 01. All right, that's going to do it for me. Dave not out. Dave not out. Hope you had a great day as well. God bless. Take care. I'll see you. Hopefully we'll get some good movement for the rest of the week. Talk to you later. Bye now.